Manage sales invoice adjustments using credit and debit notes to ensure accurate billing and compliance. Financial adjustment processing begins in sales and invoicing, the management of post-transactional accounting corrections. Accurately documenting credits and debits maintains fiscal transparency and protects organizational cash flow. The credit note listing provides a centralized audit trail for all issued sales returns and adjustments. Associating the original invoice ensures that adjustments link directly to specific historical transaction records for auditing. Item details capture specific product discrepancies or return quantities to maintain inventory and billing accuracy. Tax calculation and tax grouping determine the exact VAT or sales tax reversals required for compliance. Withholding tax and net amount fields automate the final calculation of the customer's refundable balance accurately. The summary section validates gross amounts and receivables before finalized entries impact the general ledger. Financial summaries provide a real-time overview of the total adjustment value before the document is finalized. Submitting the credit note updates account balances immediately and provides verifiable documentation for customer returns. Automated success notifications confirm the adjustment recording within the organizational financial system. Status transitions from draft to submitted ensure that only authorized financial adjustments impact the ledger. Detailed activity logs track status changes from draft to submitted for rigorous internal financial control. The summary view provides a snapshot of transaction details without requiring full document retrieval. Advanced search and filtering tools allow finance teams to locate specific adjustments by date or customer. View modes enable users to toggle between lists or high-level summaries of all sales adjustments. Debit note management facilitates additional charges or price corrections for previously billed services or goods. Customer and invoice associations enforce data integrity across all supplementary billing and adjustment documents. Itemized descriptions clarify why additional charges are applied to specific sales transactions for clear communication. Tax configurations ensure that additional billing remains compliant with regional fiscal and reporting requirements. Detailed tax breakdowns provide transparency into the individual components of the total additional charge applied. The summary section calculates the final receivable amount including all relevant taxes and withholding values. The receivable amount reflects the total increase in customer liability following the applied price corrections. Submitting the document creates a formal record that increases the total value of the original invoice. System confirmations validate that the debit note has been processed and applied to the customer's account. Finalized debit notes appear in the listing as submitted entries, ready for payment processing and reconciliation. Real-time status updates confirm that the additional billing has been successfully posted to the ledger. Grid views and sorting options allow users to monitor transaction statuses and verify accounting accuracy effectively. Integrating these adjustment workflows minimizes manual data entry errors and streamlines the entire accounts receivable process. Standardized workflows for credits and debits ensure consistent financial reporting and accurate customer account reconciliations. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.